Morning, welcome to episode 7. This morning we're going to do the perfect omelet. So let's get started. Okay, in making the perfect omelet, I do 2 egg omelets. So we take our eggs, and what I do, you can add milk, half and half, or heavy whipping cream. I'm going to pour a little bit of half and half in. Whisk that. Let's turn our stove on. So I put it on about 6, kind of medium. And then put some butter into the pan, so that way your egg does not stick. And there's a little pepper and salt into the egg. And then whatever you're going to put into the omelet, I'm just going to do some green onion and some cheddar cheese. You can put anything you want in an omelet, so I always just have that aside ready to go. Okay, so let's check our butter, swirl it around the pan with our egg mix, pour that in the pan. So this is kind of almost like crepe style, so the egg, it's not that thick and fluffy, so it just has a nice smooth taste, texture to the egg, not too much. So we just let that cook. So the trick is just to make sure that the egg is, almost done. And you can move it around in the pan. It's very thin. So we're now going to add the cheese and the green onion. Let that sit for a minute. Into that, flip it over, and you can see how thin the egg is, and give it another minute. There we have it. One perfect 2-egg omelet. See you on the next episode.